Here's my honest advice for anyone that wants to start their YouTube channel after making $500,000 at the age of 21 with YouTube and getting over 200 million views. So here's are some of the results. As you can see, total I've got about 2 million subscribers with various different channels and brands I've had. I've made over $20,000 from one single YouTube video. I've helped 150 people to get millions of views on YouTube as well. And also recently, I've started a brand new channel to document how I'm scaling it to 18 million views and 36,000 in under 1 year, and I documented the whole journey and I uploaded it on my channel, and right now it is the most popular video on this channel, 12,000 views, so you can go and check it out too, where I basically documented the whole journey of me scaling channels. So now hopefully that you trust that I can help you. I want to give you my honest, unfiltered, unedited advice on what are the 10 main things I've learned, because I've made a lot of mistakes in my journey that I really wish I knew sooner. And once I started, I was a broke student that had just $50 on my bank account, and YouTube changed my life completely in just 3 years. So here are the 10 lessons, so stick with this, and the lessons are going to become more and more important with time, not just because I want to keep you watching, but that's how it's designed. Like the second, third, fourth, fifth lessons are going to be more and more and more important. So if you can, stick to this video, because I believe you are going to get all the value with no fluff. So let's get started. And the first thing I've learned after getting after making $500,000 with YouTube and getting 200 million views is that if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you need to just start. And there is a reason that you are considering it. So just think about this for a moment. There are millions, billions of people that are not even thinking about this, that it doesn't even cross their mind. And if you are thinking about this, if you are even watching this video, you are such a tiny part of the population already that if you are thinking about this, that means that you are different. So if you are that person, and if you are even considering it, that means that you should absolutely start. Because the people that shouldn't start a YouTube channel, they don't even consider it. So if you are someone that is watching this video and watching these videos like this, about this, 100% I would recommend, if you are considering it, then the right decision is to get started. And the second thing that I've learned is that set an action goals, inputs, not outputs. So when you're starting your channel, don't say that I want to get 1 million subscribers, right? Say that you want to upload 2 videos a week. Right? Why? Because you don't control getting 1 million subscribers, but you control uploading 2 videos a week. And when you focus on this, then it's easier for you to not get overwhelmed and get started and do something that you can control. And this thing ultimately, if it's stay consistent, get you to 1 million subscribers or whatever goal that you have, right? So don't set an action goals. Inputs, focus on the things that you can control, not outputs, so you can start your journey in a way more simple and easy way. Number 3, learn but also take action. So what most people do, most people when they start their channel, they just learn and they watch these videos and they watch vidIQ or other educational channels about YouTube, and they never do anything. And my advice is that yes, learn. I've spent over $125,000 on courses and programs, and most of them are about YouTube. So I'm learning all the time, all day, even for paid stuff, free stuff, everything that I can get my hands on. But at the same time, the thing that really helped me and the lesson I learned is that learn, but also focus on taking action. If you upload 10 videos that fail, you will learn, with the knowledge that you have already, you will learn way more and you will have way better experience that will give you better results than if you keep learning and just don't do anything. So keep learning because it's important, but don't forget to just do something. And even if you are going to fail, you will learn faster. The number 4 thing that I've learned is think about your audience, not the algorithm. So when people start, the number 1 thing that YouTubers, especially people that are getting started, all they care about is the algorithm, right? They care about, will the algorithm push this, how it works, what's the secret, when instead you need to focus on the audience. And this is what people like Mr. Beast, the most successful people on YouTube are doing, is they don't care about the algorithm. Instead, they mainly focus on their audience. And when you focus on your audience, when you focus on what people want, right? So this is your audience. When you focus on what they want and you give them the thing that they want, right? And you help them and you give them value, then the algorithm has no choice but then to push you. So especially when you're getting started, don't focus on the algorithm, but replace the word the algorithm with the word the audience. So say what my audience wants, what my audience would like to watch, what video can I make that my audience probably would like to see, etc. The lesson number 5 is clarify your goal, money views, etc. And this is probably one of the most common mistakes that I've seen people are making. So when people are starting on YouTube and you're watching this video, they think, I want to grow. But what does that mean? Does that mean that you want to grow to 5 subscribers, 10, 1,000, 100,000? Do you want to just grow subscribers, or do you want to make money? Which one is more important to you? Making 10K a month, 100K a month, or growing your channel? Or do you want to have an impact? Or do you want to just have fun in the process and it's a hobby for you? But you must absolutely clarify your goal. What is that you ultimately want to achieve? Is it views? Is it money? Is it financial freedom? Is it impact? You need to clarify what you want to accomplish, and that why needs to be clear, so you can actually go out there and start making videos and have the motivation of doing so. So if you don't have a clear goal yet, get one. The thing number 6, study your competitors and learn from their mistakes. So when you're starting your channel, don't be blind and say, okay, what I'm gonna do now, right? No, what you can do instead is you can think, you can go and study your competition. So if you want to make your channel about fishing, or about self-improvement, or self-development, or gaming, or making more money, or reading books, or productivity, whatever your videos are going to be about, don't start blindly. Go and look at other channels that are already crushing it and learn from them. Learn from their mistakes. If you see that they have uploaded 100 videos and 2 of their videos got lots of views and 98 of them got little views, that means that 2 videos are good. Study them. What they did differently. Was their video idea different? Can you make a video about a similar idea? Etc. etc. Learn from your competitors' mistakes, not only from your own. And the pro tip that I want to give you is look at your small competitors that are crushing it. So don't only look at the channel that has 3 million subscribers and is getting lots of views. Look at the channel that has just 1,000 subscribers, or 3,000, or 20,000, and is getting 100,000 views, 200,000 views on each video. If you do that, then obviously you will be able to learn so much more from that, because it's a new channel that is not established. They don't have an audience. So whatever they are doing is working, and if you actually take inspiration from them, you can grow too. Because if they're a small channel and they're growing it, why can't you do it too as a small channel? So learn from your competitors' mistakes and successes, and also pay attention to smaller competitors that are crushing it, because you can relate to them even more. Now, the lesson number 7 that I've learned is do not copy and paste, but copy with taste. Pretty cool, right? Don't copy and paste, but copy with taste. What does this mean? Is if you go and look at your competitors and you see that they're doing something, don't do the exact same thing with no differences and with no improvements. Don't just copy and paste, but copy with taste. Make something a little bit better. Make your video more interesting, funnier, better, from a different angle. Make something a little bit different. And even if you spend 10-20 minutes, you will already have ideas on how you can make your video a little bit better. So copy ideas of your competitors, but don't just paste them, but do it with taste and by making it a little bit better. Number 8, pay attention to data, not to your emotions. So when you think, oh, should I make a video about this or about this? Once you start your channel, should I go into this direction or that direction? Don't follow just your emotions. Look at the data. If you already uploaded the videos, or when you start uploading videos and you see that this one video got most views on your channel and these 10 videos failed, look at the data. Make more videos about this and less videos about this. So don't only look at your emotions and make decisions based on them, but look at the data. What has been working for your competitors, what has been working the best for your channel, and what you can do more of to get the same results or better results. Number 9, make the journey enjoyable, remove friction, and make it sustainable. So if you hate the whole process, if you watch this video and you get overwhelmed and you say, oh, I need the perfect title and the perfect thumbnail, and I need the perfect niche, and I need to nail down my watch time and audience retention and monetization, and you get overwhelmed, you will not win. Have fun in the process. Add less friction. If you need to record videos, make sure that you record in your favorite location, or make sure that you don't get distracted. Put your phone on do not disturb mode. If you don't know how to record, don't wait while you have an expensive camera. Start recording on your phone. Right now, I'm recording on my iPhone to just prove, because I want to show people that even if I can go and buy expensive camera, I'm recording on my iPhone to show people that it's possible, that you can do it, right? So if you're watching this, remove friction. Record on your phone, record on your camera. Start where you're at. Have fun in the process. Enjoy it, so you will be way more likely to stick with it. Look at this like a game. And if you look at it like a game, then that's when you can win, right? Now, number 10, which is the most important advice of this video, is do not stop and you will win. Literally. And the general rule of thumb is 4 years. If you literally, for 4 years, if you start your channel right now, or if you already started, if for 4 years you keep uploading at least 2 videos a week, right? Or a little bit more if you can. But if you do at least 2 videos a week for most channels without missing a week for 4 years in a row, it is guaranteed that you will succeed. Some people will become millionaires. Some people will get 1 million subscribers. Some people will get 100,000 subscribers. Some people will start making their first few $1,000 a month. It will be different results for everyone, but I guarantee that anyone that just doesn't quit for 4 years will absolutely change their life. And of course, as a pro tip, don't just do the same stuff for 4 years. Each video, try to make it a little bit better. And if you do it, I promise that you will absolutely crush it. Let me know in the comments which lesson was the most valuable for you. And I can tell you that once I started, it was very hard for me and I didn't know what to do and I didn't know how to start. I didn't know any of it. But just because I followed these 10 steps and I've actually taken action, took action on this, my life completely changed. So if you want to do the same, consider following this advice and I hope that you will crush it on YouTube very, very soon.